Okay, without further ado, I think first thing first is for the three of you, Satmi, Haresh, and Ezekiel, I really want to apologize because after our lesson last week, I actually spoke to the head of department for English about wanting to do a follow-up for the expository writing, but I was actually unfortunately was told not to, and I would have to stick to the lesson that's prepared. So this lesson, I can't conduct the follow-up. So I really want to apologize for that.
It's okay, man.
Yeah. So I think it's out of my sphere of control. Yeah. So I really hope that you understand. Okay. So that is something that I would just want to let you know. So we were going to proceed with the first part, which is the editing. So we have question 1. So let's look at this one, the editing part. So as usual, I think you are logged in, right? Are you logged into the system now? On your part, students, are you logged in or you're not?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so I don't know whether you have done this. Okay, so let's check this one. All right, so can I just give you kind of like, if you have not done so, can I just give you a bit of time to do this? So what is this about? Okay, let's look at this first. This is about honesty, right? Is this about honesty?
No, I don't think so.
I don't think so. I think she forgot to change this. So it's not. It's a story. Okay.
No. It was like someone in Idris's house, like when his father died, something like that.
Yeah. So this one I think has to be changed because this one should be the title. Okay. I also it was an oversight on my part. All right. For this particular passage, right? Ezekiel especially, you see, I have put down here, I have colored code this one, the first sentence to indicate to you that you need to take note that this whole passage, I think most probably will be written in the past tense because the first sentence already indicated to you that it's in the past tense. All right. So can I just give you maybe a couple of minutes if you have not done so? All of you, are you done already with it, or how many? Done? Okay, Harish has done. What about Niha, Ezekiel, and Safmi?
Done, teacher.
Okay, done. Ezekiel?
Done.
All right. Okay, so then we go. Can we do a round robin? Can we start with the first one? All right. In the night, the man was wakened by the muted patter of rain on. All right. So the mattress over the door above them. He thought it be. All right. So Safmi, can I get you to give the answer for number 1?
Might.
Very good. Why is it might? Why do you indicate it as might? Correct. It is a correct answer, but why might? Why not may? Are you able to explain?
Past tense.
Okay. Now, I will explain this part, yeah, so that you guys have an awareness for this one. The word may is actually, this is the past tense of may, so it's might. Because may is only used in present tense scenario. So that's why, remember I told you this is a past tense. So this one, you have to change it from may. So may can be used if this is awakened, all right, it's wakened, all right. So if this is present tense, then you can use may here. But this is not. So this is past tense, so you have to use the word might. Are we clear here?
Yes.
All right, next one. It might be raining pretty, all right, for him to hear it. He got up with the, all right, so the word harder is the one that is wrong. So can Harish give me the correct answer for this?
Hard?
Yeah, hard. Why is it not harder?
Is it like some superlative thing?
Yeah, it's the comparatives, adverb, comparative, and super. This is the comparatives and superlative. There's nothing to compare here. So I think it's pretty much very straightforward. You use the base word, the adverb, which is raining pretty hard, for him to hear it. He got up with the, all right, so the answer for number 2 is hard, yeah? All right, flashlight and climbed, you see, you notice already the past tense, the stairs. Okay, then the new sentence, he, the hatch and played. All right, so Ezekiel, can I get you to raised, yeah, past tense, yeah, because it's consistent. All right, so this is a past tense. All right, he raised the hatch and played the light. All right, so this one is preposition problem. All right, Neha, can I get you to give me the correct answer?
I don't know. On.
Okay, let's look at the sentence again. He raised the hatch and played the light, the yacht. All right, so over the yacht doesn't sound right. Over the yacht. So what do you think is the correct one? Not on the yacht, the light. Anyone?
In?
Okay, the answer is across the yacht. It means that it is the other side. Right, over means that you have to go over some things, but this is across the yacht. So the correct preposition here is across the yacht. Now he found the yacht already flooded and the rain was, all right. This one, can I get Neha to answer?
Slashing.
Okay, why slashing? You're right, but why slashing? And the rain was, because there is this was something, usually it is a past continuous. It means that the action is being done. So you have to put was slashing down. So you know that this is a past continuous. It means that the action of the rain was coming down. So that is what we mean by past continuous tense. That's why you don't use the word slash, but you add ing next to the after the after the h word. All right, so he closed the hatch. Water had leaked in and dripped down the stairs, but he thought the bunker itself. Okay, any problem with number 6? Safmi?
No.
Safmi?
No.
Okay, correct. Noah, yeah. All right, next one. Seemed pretty watertight. He then went to see about the boy. He, all right. So any problem with sentence number 7 or number 7? All right, Ezekiel?
Yeah.
Anything wrong with it or it is a correct sentence?
Correct.
Sorry?
I think it's correct.
Okay, so it's correct. Good. It's correct. All right. And then he was damp in sweat in his bed. The man pulled back one of the, all right. So the preposition here, in, is wrong. Okay. Neha, can you give me the correct answer?
With.
Good. Very good. So the correct preposition is with a damp, with sweat, not in sweat. All right, the man pulled back one of the blankets and fanned his face. He turned down heater and went. All right, turned down. All right, why is this wrong? A is wrong. All right, can I get Haresh to answer this? Why not
because it doesn't make sense. So it doesn't make sense.
Okay, now it's not A here, it's the because it is specific. It means that the heater. It means that in this story, there's only, it's not about a heater. It is, he's actually doing the action to a specific something. So that's why you have to use the article the rather than a, all right? Is just something. It's just like a casual one or two things there, like, and just kind of generalize it, but this is the. It's like, I'm going to the shop. When I said the shop, it means that it's a specific shop that I'm going to. So that's you need to use the article the. All right. So, and went back to bed. Now, this is the last one. This is wrong. The conjunction till is wrong. So what is the correct one? Ezekiel, can I get you to answer? What will be the correct conjunction to replace till?
Until.
Until he woke again. It's about the same, till and until. What about Satmi? Satmi, you want to give it a shot?
When.
Yeah, when, you're right. Yeah, when. So the conjunction is when, yeah. All right, are we good here?
Yes.
Yeah, from time to time, I will ask you, you see, I know that as Singapore kids, right, you intuitively know the answer, most of you, but the thing is, you are not able to actually explain. So I think now with me coming in with the explanation part, I hope that it will help value add to your understanding of the grammatical items within a sentence. I hope that will help you in that sense, for future, exercise editing exercises. All right, next one now, we're going to move to expository comprehension. Yeah, so we're going to look through a comprehension. So expository here, I think my understanding is a non-narrative comprehension, I would think. All right, so this can be found in your section C of your paper 2. All right, do you have a copy of the comprehension passage? You do? All right. So can I give you maybe about 5 to 7 minutes to read? Have you read this?
Yes.
All right. Harish, you have read. Satmi, Ezekiel, and Neha? Do you need time to read? Yeah, please answer me.
Yes.
Okay. So can I give you all about 5 to 7 minutes to read through? Right. So starts from now. Don't be shy, to respond. There is no right or wrong answer. If you have not, just say so. All right, 7 minutes starts now. If you all finish, then you just let me know, then we can start earlier. Do close reading, yeah? Read closely. Don't just glance over. All right, let's start with the first one. We're going to unpack, yeah? It means that each question. So let's do this. All right, the first question is, find a word in paragraph 1 which suggests pushing forcefully. I want you to take note of this. Don't overwrite for answers like this. This question asked you to find a word, all right, that has the same meaning as pushing forcefully. So let's look at this paragraph 1. I'm going to read the first para, and then I'm going to take some of you to read the rest as well as we go from question to question. Now, shoving armfuls of bed linen into the washing machine, changing sheets, cleaning out toilets, and wiping down the shower. This is Abby's life as a laundress and chambermaid, or as it is sometimes known, an Airbnb host. Over the past year, she has welcomed more than 150 people from around the globe into her New York humble abode through the famous Airbnb website, which has nearly 1 million listings in 33,000 cities. All right, let's come back to that question. So from this paragraph, all right, I would want to get Harish to give me the answer. What do you think is the word?
Shoving.
Sorry?
Shoving.
Yeah, shoving. All right, so that's the correct word. Shoving something, right? You shove something, shoving. All right, very good. All right, next one. Find a word in paragraph 1 which suggests this, home. Right, same thing again, the same paragraph. So can I get Sathmi to give me the answer?
Abode.
Sorry?
Abode.
Very good, a boat. Yeah, the answer is a boat. Excellent. Right, moving on. Let's look at question 3. Now, since Airbnb's formation in 2008, the percentage has declined. I think I changed it. So this is in paragraph 2. Explain what is meant by the above expression with regard to travel accommodation booking. So guys, the answer is not found in this from this question. It has to be before this